Umentri Rangba Gejala Megalaya, Conrad Kongkal Sangma, Hagasantrik Risau Arhajar Arpulai, Ula Kaweh Lama ke Jingïaid inti de Thuk, Jong Kynthei CRPF na Shillong kebalatip kom kaya Shwasini. Ka CRPF ke Jingïaid Trilang bat Katnat Women and Child Development ke Sorkar Pedenggal Penlong ya ke Jingïaid inti de Thuk, ban rakhe ya ka Nari Shakti, lane ka bor Kynthei. Kebale shimbenta hakari berokawai. Kom shibenta ke jeng ai kublai ya ke jeng shlur ke jeng kut jeng mut bat ke jeng scam jeng mut jeng Kynthei ya dari hagi bobon ke benta jong kitanat pahara ke badan hagari. Ha bakran ke negesngi Menteri Rangba ke Jela Megalaya Conrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bagi Kynthei ya dari kilong ke banengkong hakinu kinu ke benta. Bat kini ke lumpung nya thuk ke de wei pat ke benta jong ke bor ki Kynthei lani kata ke ba kiong kanari Shakti. Ulapan pauru ke jing sengo sarong baniok banedan bentalang ha kene ke lempung. Ha kene ke jingya lenti jong ki Kynthei CRPF lai terli ki kenhuan bala shim bentatang de ki Kynthei ke sedang ke jingya na Shillong Srinagar bat Kanyakumari. Bat barok lai kenhuan kene kendo ha ke ekta nagar ha Gujarat ha ka lai poetrik Risau. Ha ke lengko singkha Usardar Vallabhai Patel. Kene ke jingya lenti jong ki kan long ha ke jingjengai ke balai hajar arspa khandai puai kilometer. Pada kini kejengnya lenti kinong nyak thuk kinyat lengba hinyau teli gejela haswa bagian poi hagajaka bagian penkot ha ekta nagar. Ha kini kejengnya lenti jongki di thuk ha kejengnya Trilang ka CRPF bat ketenat Women and Child Development. Baru laiken huan Shillong Srinagar bat Kanyakumari kini Trilang ru bat ki kena skul bat ki samla Kynthei ha ki college ki sengerap daladia ni ki self help group jongki long kemia ki NCC ki kena ke CCI ki NYKS ki Anganwadi bat ki Weipat ki badan ki distrik Boper. Kathong jongki kalong ru ban penkelanya ke program Beti Bachao Beti Parao jong ketenat Women and Child Development.
I first of all would like to thank and more importantly congratulate the CRPF for having organized this particular women's bike expedition. It is very heartening to see that our women who are in the forces, in the CRPF and other forces, are second to none. And this particular event and this expedition is another example of, as we say, Nari Shakti. And therefore today, from different parts of the country, different women bikers of the CRPF will be starting off their journey and ultimately converge in the Statue of Unity. And hence, it gives me great honor and pride to be part of this particular program. And I once again would like to congratulate and thank the CRPF for this great expedition and this program that they have organized. When you're able to develop and take forward every individual, when you're able to bring in equality among sexes, equality among communities, equality among different people, and therefore a true developed nation, which is what our Honorable Prime Minister has been speaking about and has targeted, that by 2047, India must be a developed nation. That can only happen when every community and every citizen and every part and person of our great nation moves forward. And hence, what we are seeing today is another example of that effort and that work towards ensuring that there is equality in our system. Meghalaya and the cultural history of our state and of our people and of our tribes has already been practicing this for many, many centuries. Meghalaya is a matrilineal society.